Wow, guys. So don't ever take Theraflu, a painkiller, and a headache thing all at once because you feel really high. And I am feeling pretty damn good right now. But I also feel good because we just finished the YouTube gates. Um, and I don't know. I don't really think creating a video for this is that necessary, but I do want to show you where to access the feature and then also what it looks like and what it all means for you. Right now, you currently have one method for exchanging the free beat for information, and that is the customer's email address, which is cool. But you guys wanted more. You guys wanted the YouTube gate. I was kind of opposed to the idea in the beginning, but um, I don't know. I just felt like, the hijacking thing was. But then I thought about it some more, and it just makes perfect sense. In a way, this is hijacking too. So what difference does it make? Um, but we're all about listening to. If you if you've been with us for a long time, you guys know that SoundGen is all about the producer. Um, so it's not really what I want. So we so that is the method. The current method is exchanging emails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the control panel. I'm going to go to the main dashboard, which is the very beginning. And what I'm going to do is go down to tools, and I'm going to go down to the free download options. And here's the new interface. So right now, if you don't want to do YouTube, then I believe this is how it's defaulted. Subscribe to mailing list. Um, the other option is to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let me go ahead and check that. And then you want to put in your YouTube channel ID. I just created a video on our channel, on the SoundGen YouTube channel. And it shows you how to find your YouTube channel ID. So once you find it, go ahead and paste it right here and then update. All right. So I'm going to put it to subscribe to YouTube channel, and I'm going to click on update. And then I'm going to refresh this. Sorry about not editing this. I'm just going to do this all in one take. And then I'm going to go click the download button, and then bam. How cool is that? Um, just to the design element really quick, you're able to upload a background image. If you if you guys know us, we don't like to just design something really simple. We actually take the time with design. So you can actually upload an image, but just be aware that the image will be blurred. But it kind of gives you a cool little silhouette. We're all about making things look good. I think your customers really do appreciate it. If you don't like the idea of a blurred background for the box, then you can actually remove it and it'll just be solid black. It's, if you want to do the whole minimal uh, design thing, which is fine as well. Um, you click here and then you'll get a pop-up about connecting with YouTube, with the Google account, and then the customer will be able to download it. After clicking on the subscribe, and then that person will be subscribed to you. It's just that simple. And then they'll get a message saying, go to the email, and they'll be able to download whatever beat via email. I'm sorry, I take that back. It's a pop-up page, and something like this, and then they'll be able to click here, and then it just starts to download automatically on the browser. So sorry about that. It's the Robitussin. So we could have stopped right there, right? I think other players, they have either or. You can do mailing list or you can do the YouTube in exchange, but I just felt something was missing, and I didn't like the idea of having um, either or, either the mailing list or the YouTube channel. So I talked to my developer about doing the YouTube and mailing list option all in one shot. Because why not be able to collect both? But I also didn't want to bug the user, your customers about doing both at the same time. So we kind of left it at their discretion, right? So let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna go subscribe with YouTube with mailing list option. So I'm gonna check that. I always click on the update. All right, so I'm gonna refresh this. You don't have to clear the cache. It's all versioned out, so your customers, they don't have to clear the cache on this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download. And now you're going to see the subscribe to YouTube channel, but then also you give them the option to opt in to the mailing list. And that's why it took us a while, because we had to code that in. I think most customers would be willing to do both. I mean, they like your stuff already. I don't think they'll mind joining the mailing list and subscribing to your YouTube channel at one time. So that's really cool. So that's why it took us a while. Basically, if they're not connected, there'll be a pop-up to connect, and then the next screen will be the mailing list screen. Will they enter in their name and their email address. And then you'll get both. You'll get them subscribing to your channel, and then you'll also have the mailing list. I didn't like the either or, because then you're kind of missing out. So, but they're able to uncheck this. Right now, you can't do both at the same time. I just didn't want them. I just don't want your customers to feel completely I don't know. What's the word I'm looking for? I didn't want them to feel obligated to do both. You're already doing the YouTube, and but again, I think most people would just leave that checked, and but if they wanted to opt out, they can as well. So I'm gonna close that out. That does it. I'm not sure what else I'm leaving out. Again, to find that, as far as the image goes, go ahead and I'm actually going to tell the developer to put in the dimensions of the image that you should use. I think if you use a bigger image, it'll crop it out anyway, but I'll put in the right dimensions for that window. That way you're good to go. Make sure you click update. So there it is. And don't forget to wait, what happens if I click this? Okay, I think what we're gonna do is add a pop-up and show you how to do a YouTube pop-up here, and it'll tell you how to find your channel ID and then paste it right here. So, okay, guys, so that's it. That's the YouTube gate. I'm gonna post this on the forum. If you guys have any questions or bug reports, we'll get on them fast. We always do. If you guys know us on the forum, we're pretty quick to fix whatever needs to be fixing. There's, got to keep in mind that there's people using different browsers, and we try to test for everything. And so anyway, thanks a lot, guys, for recommending this update, and there'll be much more to come. All right, guys, bye.